This dripping faucet is driving me crazy. So until it gets fixed, I can't stand this drip noise anymore. So I'm going to have to fix it. My wife has this cup underneath there to not waste the water. So she can use it for coffee or water her plants or whatever. But I can't stand that dripping noise. So let's fix it. So we just take a piece of tape. Tape it underneath. Try to get it nice and centered. And hey, no more noise. All right. Now I'm probably going to make the tape longer so it actually sticks into the water. That's probably going to be a better way to go. But it sounds nice and quiet right now. Not too bad. Mission accomplished.